Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Copper Top Productions. In this week's video we were meant to be working on the R31, reinstalling those brakes and testing out the mini spool. Unfortunately Repco ordered me the wrong parts, so we're going to be waiting a little bit longer on that one. So instead we're going to be working on the E36. I literally failed it on one thing, and that was an airbag light that wasn't going off fast enough, which just doesn't make any sense to me, but whatever. We'll jump in and see what we can do to fix it or to get rid of the problem, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, we got the dash out. Literally just 2 screws on the top and then credit card behind them. Got to go over it like that and get it out. I'm going to wire that to whichever one we need to over there. Alrighty, so that one is our ABS light. Sorry, no, that's our airbag light. Alright, so that one and that one. What we need to do is we need to prevent this from getting signal from that. So we need to cover that, and then we need to get its signal from this. So have a wire going from there to there. Something like that. We've got duct tape over those two where the light used to get power from, and then we'll run wires on the lights, joining the two together so that essentially this one's relaying the power through to this one. Alrighty. Got it sort of dodgily wired up there. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. Let's go find out. First attempt, let's see if we've actually fixed it. Hey! Oh, that's so good. Alrighty, so the dash is fully back in. I was very careful not to knock the wiring as we put it back in. Let's make sure it does still work. Yeah, no more dash lights. Sick! Alrighty guys, it ended up being a lot easier to fix that issue than I thought it was going to be, so there isn't as much footage as I would have liked to have filmed. Good thing is, I mean, now next week I should have 2 cars back on the road. The R31 and the E36, which is absolutely sick. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed what little content there was, and hey, if you have an E36 with an airbag light that won't turn off and you can't pass road inspection, maybe this will help you too. I don't know, it was pretty dodgy, and to be honest with you, as soon as the car makes it through roadworthy, I'm just gonna undo it. Because it just sort of feels real dodgy to have that in there. But anyway, it should be enough to get it through registration. Alrighty guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'll catch you next week's video where God knows what we're doing. We're either going to be working on 32, a 31 or an E36 again. Who knows? I'll see you then. Bye.